Hi everyone. In this video, I would like to discuss about how you can change the color of the interface. If you see now, the color of this web page or the interface is white. See, it is white. So the theme is white by default. At any point in time, if you are someone who likes to use dark theme because it will be good for your eyes sometimes. In this case, what you can do is click on settings and you see device here and you have three options. The first one is light mode, second one is dark mode, and the third one is device. So if you select light mode, it will be white by default. If you change it to dark mode, it is going to change to dark. And if you click on the notebook, it will be dark. Everything will be dark here. So some people prefer to use dark theme, some people prefer to use normal theme or white theme. So it depends upon your requirement. And the third one is device. It is the default setting of the operating system or the computer. So if you select device, it is going to take the settings of the operating system. So now you can choose either light mode or dark mode. So it depends upon your requirement. So I'm going to change it to dark mode from now. Alright, I really hope you find this information helpful. Thank you very much for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye.